Let's talk about functions. Functions plays an important role in college algebra. Okay. To understand function, first let us try to understand the relation between two quantities. Suppose there is bookstore sellout and the owner wants to sell all the books, and he labels the price for each book to be $2.5 for each book and plus $3 for handling charges. So the total cost would be $2.5 times the number of books bought plus the handling charge 3. Okay. So now if someone wants to buy let's suppose one book from the bookstore, then he or she will be paying 2.5 times 1 plus 3, that's $5.5. Okay. So x comma total cost would be 1 comma 5.5. If someone wants to buy 2 books, then this would be 2 times 2.5 is 5 plus 3 is $8 for that person. Similarly, if another person wants to buy 3 books, then this would be 3 times 2.5 is 7.5 plus 3 is 10.5. So that's 3 comma 10.5. Now here the correspondence, here we can see the correspondence between the number of books and the total cost. Okay. If we have 1 book, then it corresponds to 5.5 the total cost. 2 books corresponds to 8. 3 books corresponds to 10.5. So the correspondence is a rule or the relation between the number of books and the total cost. Okay. Now you should be able to plot this order pairs in Cartesian plane, just like this one. 1, 2, 3, and so on. And if you consider 5 to be here, 10 to be 10, 15, and so on, then 1 comma 5.5 would be somewhere here, 2 comma 8 would be somewhere around here, 3 comma 10.5 would be somewhere here. So those are, so in this way we can plot the graph, okay, of the order pairs. X has correspondence with the total cost. So this is the main thing that we need to understand. Right? Now let us go on to the definition of function. The correspondence or relation is usually between 2 objects or 2 set of objects. Then let us define function. A function is a correspondence between two sets, the domain between two sets, domain and range, such that 1. Each element in the domain has a correspondence. And the second important thing is this correspondence is unique. So that's the definition of function. Okay. Each and every element in the domain must have a correspondence in the range, and that correspondence must be unique.